Hello, my name's Mike. I'm from Access Irrigation Ltd. Today we're looking at pipes, and specifically coiling of pipes and undoing the straps on them, which can cause problems if you're not careful. Now I have a small 16mm diameter coil of pipe in front of me here, and you'll notice it's quite tightly strapped. Now when you undo the straps on any size of pipe, even a small one like this, be very careful that it doesn't spring back into your face and cause damage. Useful things to have with you when you're coiling pipes is obviously the pipe itself, some pegs for holding it down, and a set of pipe cutters. Now the pipe cutters are useful for not only cutting the pipe but also the straps that secure it. Now when you're undoing the pipes, all pipes have an inner and outer tail. This is the outside tail. You can see obviously that it runs around the outside and there's an inside one there. Always coil it from the outside tail first for obvious reasons. So when you're undoing it, when you remove the straps, be very careful that you don't cause it to come back on yourself. So and also be very careful when you're cutting that you don't actually cut through the pipe itself and cause yourself some more work. Okay, so there's our outside coil. Don't pull it like that, or else it'll be like a coiled watch spring and it'll be all over the place. If you do that, it will tend to kink the pipe. So do it in a cartwheel fashion. Okay, to now start coil or uncoiling the pipe, always take the outside tail, as I said. It's always a good idea to put some tape on the ends of the pipe itself, stop any debris or any grit like we've got down here going into the pipe and blocking any valves, etc. So always good rule, put a bit of tape over. You can trap the end with the soil stakes like I showed you previous, or you can use a bit of convenient masonry. And then all you've got to do is just stop that pipe from swinging back. Then grab hold of the coil and then just wind it back along the line. Now when you come to the end, if you put the coil back down on the pipe itself, trapping the pipe, then it won't spring back then, and then you can walk up and do whatever fittings or any fixings you need to on the pipe. So points to bear in mind: always seal the ends of the pipe, make sure no debris or dirt gets into them, and always undo the coil carefully when you undo the straps to make sure it doesn't spring back on you. And finally, make sure you're coiling the outside tail first and not the inside tail. All right.